morning, Varindal. My name is Sahalota. I study second class in Vijan School. Today I will tell about states and chief ministers. Andhra Pradesh Nara Chandrababu Naidu, Arunachal Pradesh Pema Khandu, Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma, Bihar Nitish Kumar, Chhattisgarh Vishnu Dio Sai, Goa Prabodh Sawant, Gujarat Bhupendra Bhai Patel, Haryana Nayab Singh Saini, Himachal Pradesh Sukhvinder Singh Sukh, Jharkhand Hemant Soren, Karnataka Siddaramaiah, Kerala Pinarayi Vijayan, Madhya Pradesh Mohan Yadav, Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis, Manipur President Rule, Meghalaya Kondasakama, Mizoram Lal Dohoma, Nagaland Nipurio, Odisha Mohan Charan Majhi, Punjab Bhagwant Man, Rajasthan Bhajan Raj Sharma, Sikkim Prem Singh Tamang, Tamil Nadu M.K. Stalin, Telangana Ravant Reddy, Tripura Manik Saha, Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath, Uttarakhand Pushkar Singh Dhami, West Bengal Mamata Banerjee.